Hey friends, I'm making my cup of coffee, and a lot of times you guys ask me how much Premier protein shake that I use in each cup. I had the bottles for once, so I went ahead and tore the label off so that I can show you. This is how much I have left. I've been using it throughout the day. Okay, I'm gonna pour my coffee in. You can't see, but my coffee is to about here. This is my Premier. Okay, see, I didn't use all that much. I use about the same amount that I would use for creamer. This container is from Amazon. It is stevia from Walmart. Each scoop of this says 2 tablespoons. I do like my coffee sweeter, so about 2 tablespoons. I know some people ask, why are you adding all that sweetener? Well, y'all, I like it. Okay. Then I usually add a little bit of skinny syrup. Like I said, y'all, I like my coffee sweet. Okay, so there I got that. And today I'm gonna use this new whipped topping that I got from Target. I'm shaking it up. It is a little bit runny. And I'm just adding a little squirt over the top. I add whipped cream to a lot of stuff because it's just 1 point. And so I do add that to a lot of things. So there you go. That's how I make my coffee. And I kind of like this added to the coffee because since it's a hot cocoa flavor, I feel like it's kind of making my coffee taste like hot chocolate. So I love you guys. I thought I could just show you for once since I tore the label off because you can't do that with the cartons. So I love y'all.